Hi guys, this is Shrikant here. I thought to create some video on the interview question. So basically, we are planning to create some series of interview questions, so that will be very helpful for the newcomer or the one who is trying for the new job. So I am trying to create videos on all the SQL Server basic and high level of question. So let's hope it will be useful for you, all of you guys. So the first question normally asked in interview when I was fresher and when I was trying for SQL Server, then the first question which I got, that was, what is the RDBMS? So RDBMS means the Relational Database Management System. So it is the management system for the database which has the relational logic, right? So first question is, what is the RDBMS? So what is the Relational Database Management System? So before coming to Relational Database Management System, we had one different kind of management system. That management kind of system, database management system, called as the file management system. File management system. What it was doing? It was storing data in files, and the file was itself containing the tables and other things, right? Table has some data type, column, all those things. So previously the data was storing in the file, but people was facing the issue, people was facing the problem with the data redundancy. Let's say suppose I have two file and the two file has the same data. If I'm going to update or deleting the data in a one file, I need to update or delete that data from another file, right? So that kind of thing is called redundancy, and we was facing the issue for the data redundancy, delete redundancy, and all this kind of thing. So the new kind of the system came into the picture, and that system is called as the RDBMS. This RDBMS will have the relational between the tables, and itself is called as the Relational Database Management System. So any database which has the relations in between the table, in between the object, and that thing is called as a Relational Database Management System. Hope this question is clear. So what are the properties of the Relational Database Management System? What are the properties of RDBMS, right? So any database system which satisfy the ACID property is called as the database management system. So any relational database system which satisfy the ACID property, that is called as the Relational Database Management. So alternately, what are the properties of RDBMS? The ACID, we can say, are the properties of the Relational Database Management System. So what is the A? A stand for atomicity. Atomicity, right? It means what? If something is happening, if some processing happening, it should be done or it should not be done. So our system never be completed in a halfway. I mean to say, if something is started, it should be ended or it should be reverted back. It should be committed or it should be reverted back. So that is what called as atomicity. Consistency. Consistency is something like, if I have made some changes, and I say, and that changes are committed in the database. If I query the data now, I will get the same changes. If I query the data after some time, I should get the same changes if there is a no update or no insert, right? So this is called as a consistency. So there should be a consistency in data. Let's say if I'm getting the 10 records for the same query, the another user should get the 10 record for the same query, right?